In this video, I will tell you how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. So first what you need to do is make sure you already have the Bybit app installed and that you're logged in. Once you're on the home page, look to the right side and tap on More. This will open the services page. From here, go to the Buy Crypto section and select Buy Crypto. That will take you to the Fiat page. Now choose your currency. In this case, select USD and then select USDT as the crypto you want to buy. If you wanted another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, you'd just choose that instead, but for today, we're sticking with USDT. Next, pick your payment method. For example, if you want to use a credit card or debit card, just choose bank card. Enter the amount you'd like to convert, let's say 150, and you'll see the equivalent amount in USDT displayed, for example 141 USDT. After that, click Add Card, fill in your card details and then press Continue. Finally, confirm the payment. Your bank may send a verification email, so just approve it and the transaction will go through. That's it. Your USD will be successfully converted to USDT. Thanks for watching.